I just took my faux locks out, but as you can see, I have a lot of buildup on some of the locks. I hope it's picking it up at my roots. So I think I have to do my very first apple cider vinegar rinse just so I could get this buildup off. See? Like right there. Right there. Okay, so for my rinse, I'm going to be using some baking soda, lime, some apple cider vinegar, the organic unfiltered, and then some sea salt. Now on the stove, I'll just be boiling some water because the water needs to be as hot as I could take it. So of course I'll add more water in the sink right here. But while that's getting ready to boil, I'm going to start adding some of the ingredients. So I'm just going to be eyeing pretty much everything, but I'm just going to add a little bit of sea salt in this mix. I'm going to do about 1/4 of this box, and this is a 1 pound box, so just 1/4 of it. As for brags, I'm going to do about 1/4 cup of this, but of course I'm eyeing it as well. Just gonna squeeze this whole lime inside the water. Just gonna stir everything up. Okay, so the water is pretty much somewhat boiled. So I'm gonna take this and dump this in the sink. Get all this buildup off. Hot. Nah. You gotta need some cold water. Oh my god. Woo! Okay, let's try this again. Oh, thank you, yeah. Woo! So the water is nasty. I sat in the water for maybe about 10 minutes. So I'm about to show you what my hair looks like now. So literally there's no buildup in my hair anymore. Like literally there's no more buildup. That is amazing. So I'm going to go wash my hair per normal, and then I'm going to retwist my hair. But literally from that alone, like my scalp feels so fresh, because sometimes when I have my faux locks in, like my scalp gets kind of irritated, but it was very soothing on my scalp. I used this Brio Geo shampoo, and this is the Be Gentle, Be Kind line, the matcha and apple replenishing superfood shampoo, and it doesn't have any sulfates. Wow, light cut off. Doesn't have any sulfates, silicones, or parabens, and I don't know, it's just been doing my locks really well without making them feel stripped or anything. I don't follow up with any conditioner. I just spray my hair with my water and almond oil mix. But yeah, so far, apple cider vinegar rinses are amazing. Like my hair actually feels pretty dang good. Look at my growth. Y'all see this? Bye guys, and if you want to keep up with me and my lock journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do monthly updates every month with clips in between. And yeah, this light. It's an automatic light. It drives me crazy. But yeah, I'm so excited. 6 months down already. Crazy.